How to create and use your avatar on Facebook. Someday you might want to create your avatar and use it for some reason. So in this video, you will see how to make your avatar and how you can use it. To do that, simply go on the Facebook. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook on your phone. On the top right side, you will see the 3 vertical lines, and when you tap on it, just scroll down until you see the option of avatars. And when you see the option of avatar, just tap on it. It will take some time to load it. So here you can see that I've already created my avatar. So I cannot recreate my avatar, but what I can do is I can edit my avatar by going on this option. I can change hairstyle and clothes and anything that I want to. So how can I use my avatar is when you scroll down and down, you will see the option of what's on your mind. So you can simply post anything by writing on the screen and post on your Facebook. And you can use your avatar for many other reasons in GIF and also while commenting on some other post and likewise. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.